Hi dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is the reading from 22nd till the 30th of November. So let's start. Sagittarius, your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see what your partner is feeling for you currently. Let's see what your partner is feeling for you currently. See, Five of Cups. Okay, I feel like this person is right now feeling some kind of sadness or depression or kind of regret. They are feeling why they did whatever they did with you. It's like they are feeling sad, they are feeling depressed, they are having some kind of regret in their mind and not able to compensate with the loss that they had without you, right? Let me clarify the Five of Cups as their feelings for you. This person is deeply missing you and depressed and sad and not able to make it out, with you, and that's why this person is regretting something that they did with you. Let me clarify the Five of Cups. The Hierophant could be dealing with the Taurus here, the Moon and the Temperance, all three major arcana cards. This is a life lesson. This person right now is going through a life-changing transformation in their life, right? So this person do want to have a long-term committed connection with you, or they feel like a soul contract with you, but they are right now very scared, very afraid, and there is certain kind of blockages that they are facing right now. Okay, this person is not able to cope up with this situation, not able to balance with the situation, and that's why they are very sad and depressed. They are trying their best to balance the situation, to be patient and calm down and relax, but not able to do anything about this, but to sulk in silence and regret in silence, you can say. Might be this person is not talking to you at all, but they're deeply missing you and deeply regretting what they did. Okay, what happened in the past in this connection. It's not like they did something really wrong with you. It could also be possible that things were not working out between you guys and they are regretting why things were the way they used to be, right? They want to mend this connection, they want to heal this connection. This is what I'm getting here. Let me see, what do you feel for this person, Sagittarius? Your current feelings for them, let me see. Six of Pentacles. You feel like having an equal give and take of energy. It's like you feel like, why should you do all the work? Why am I the only one who's putting efforts every time, and why am I the only one who is working on this connection so hard? I need equal participation from this person. I feel like I should have a connection with them, and they should also work on this connection. They should also put in the effort and put in the energy. This is what you feel for this connection. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles. You feel like having equal give and take of energy, and which is justice also, right? It should be like this. It should be balanced like this. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles as your feelings. My sister is in the kitchen, so please bear with me a little bit. Yeah. So Two of Pentacles in reverse, and the Three of Swords and the Six of Swords. My God. Now you have completely stopped putting efforts and putting energy. Now you have stopped juggling. Might be you were juggling in this connection from a very long time. You were not able to make any decision regarding this particular thing, regarding this particular connection, where it is going, what should you do. Now you're feeling heartbroken kind of energy. You are feeling depressed. You are also feeling sad, and you just want this connection to heal and to move towards a peaceful solution or peaceful resolution of a problem that you guys are facing from a might be very long time in this connection. It's like constant juggling is stopped from your side. You are heartbroken, I can see that. You are depressed, I can see that. You are feeling like having a peaceful solution to this problem that you guys are facing together, right? So this is the Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Two of Pentacles in reverse, and Three of Swords and the Six of Swords. It's like finding balance in an imbalanced situation. That is what you're feeling. This is what you're feeling about this connection. Let me see what this person wants from you. Let me see, Sagittarius, what this person wants from you. Let me see what this person wants from you. Eight of Cups. They want you to walk away from the situation that is no longer working in this connection. Might be for the time being, they just want to leave. They just want you to leave the connection or leave this relationship behind. I have to clarify this, but this person certainly wants to walk away. This person certainly wants you to walk away from this connection, from this situation that is no longer working out, that is no longer serving you guys. Let me clarify the Eight of Cups as what they want from you. Let me see. Queen of Cups and the Sun and the Eight of Pentacles. So they want you to move on from the past situation and come towards a future, and come towards a present situation where there's love, there's happiness, and where you guys are ready to work on the situation together. So they want you to walk away from the past situation and come in the present situation with them, where there's only love, there's lots of happiness, and where both of you are ready to work on the situation or work on this connection, and put in equal effort and put in equal energy from your side and from their side. So this is what they want from you. They want happiness, they want love, they want you to work on this connection with them, put in effort, put in energy. This is what they want. They want you to walk away from the past situation and now come to the present situation. Okay, let me see what do you want from this person. Sagittarius, let's see. The Moon. It's very high, it's like very high Pisces energy in your reading today. So what do you want from this person? You want this person to come out of this fearful situation. They are very scared, they are afraid, and they are not able to understand, they are not able to decide, they are not able to make a stable decision regarding this particular situation that you guys are facing together. So that's why you want this person to open up. You want this person to open up to you, tell you honestly, talk to you honestly and openly, have a flow of communication, and remove the blockages, whatever blockages that you guys are facing from a very long time. You want this person to come out of this blockages and come out of this fearful state of mind and talk to them clearly, talk to you clearly, right? Talk to you clearly and honestly. Just give me a second. Yeah. Let me clarify the Moon as what you want from them. Six of Pentacles again, the Knight of Wands and the Nine of Cups. All you want from this person is balance in this relationship. You want this person to come back to you, ignite the passion between you guys. Whatever passion you guys shared in the past, you just want to bring that passion back in this connection, and this is your wish fulfillment. This is your wish fulfillment. So it is like you want this person to stop being afraid, stop being scared, and come to you and talk to you openly and honestly, bring balance to the situation, and be patient and be passionate as you used to be, and be happy. This is what you want from them. You want them to share equal happiness and equal sadness, and you basically want everything balanced with them. You want them to share everything with you, whatever it is pain, it is happiness, it is anger, it is anxiety, it is stress. You just want them to share it with you, and don't be scared to open up to you. This is what you want from them. You just want them to open up to you and come out of this scared or afraid energy. There's a blockage in their intuition. They are fearing the unknown. This is the situation, and you want them to come out of this fearing the unknown kind of situation. Okay, let's see what is coming towards you till the 30th of November. You can say what to expect from this person till 30th of November, what action they are going to take towards you. The High Priestess. I feel healing is required in this condition, in this connection. I feel like I don't see them coming to you, opening up to you and telling you exactly what they are feeling or exactly what they are doing. There will be silence till the 30th of November. I don't see major improvement but yes, healing is here. Healing is happening in both of your cases. You are also healing from the situation. They are also trying to heal, but this person is not able to heal at the rate of, at the rate of healing that is required. It's like slow healing. It's kind of very very slow healing that they are right now experiencing. You on the other hand is a little bit more healed than them. You're also heartbroken. You're also trying to come out of the situation. You're also trying to come out of the pain, the anguish, the anger, everything. But you are a little bit faster than them in this process. Okay, let me clarify the high priestess as the potential outcome. Why they are not taking action? It's this person is going to be silent. Will try to listen to their intuition. Okay, so the High Priestess is clarified by the King of Wands, the Hermit in reverse, and the Knight of Swords. They are highly passionate about this connection, but they are overthinking actually. They are overthinking, they are overanalyzing, they are trying their best to understand what is happening, they are trying their best to seek answers from within, but they are not getting them. Stopping themselves to come towards you, running towards you, like stopping themselves to rush into anything. This is what they are doing. They don't want to rush into this energy, they don't want to rush into this connection because they are still scared, still very much in their head about this connection, but not taking any action because they feel like this is not going to work out and they're dealing with some kind of unknown fears. Okay, so thank you so much Sagittarius for listening. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.